Hey everybody, it's been a minute. I've been trying to get a hold of one of these, but it is blade delivery day again today. And today we have SOS Knives. I like the way they spell out their SOS Knives there. An OTF out the front, dual action, aluminum body. This thing's solid. And heavy, good, not deep pocket, but stainless belt clip, and it's got a D2 blade on it, which is a good budget steel. And man, for the money, it is hard to beat this thing. Dual action, excellent response. Good finish on that blade. This thing is pretty amazing for the money.